I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. I'm gonna try to turn it into a knife. All right. There we go. There we go. I'm almost done using up all the bad charcoal. This stuff still works pretty good. Starting to get into some really good charcoal here. Stuff is burning great. I was thinking how I want to replace this with a metal handle. All right, it'll still work. It's just going to be a lot more work. We'll let that cook for a couple hours. While I got the forge cleared out, I'm gonna go ahead and empty it. There's a bunch of coals and ash down there and the fan won't turn.